Hi, my name is Oscar Mauricio Garcia and I'm going to talk to you about my super octopus. This octopus lives in sea, in a dark part of the sea, so he has to attract his prey in one way. He attracts it with his rare shapes in his body, and that shapes, let's say that, emit light in the dark, so he attracts his food. He has 6 tentacles that are here that are electric, and they help the animal to attack and kill his food. These two are also electric in his mouth. He has to kill his prey before eating it because his mouth is too delicate and it could be damaged if the animal is alive when he eats it. Okay, this octopus has a very special digestive system and it causes that the animal has to be eating frequently, and also it creates that the animal dies like in 1 year of living. Okay, the food enters in the mouth and passes in the esophagus. This esophagus has something special, that is, that it has little tiny teeth in, in, in it to destroy the food and make a better digestion process. Without these teeth, the food can pass in bigger parts to the stomach and destroy it. Okay, then when the food is like destroyed, it passes to the stomach. The stomach has something special, that is that it produces an acid called GTCA826 that separates the food from of the wastes and make an easier process to the body. When the food and wastes are separated, it passes to the star organ, but only the food passes first, and the wastes continue in the stomach, being distracted by the acid. Okay, this is when the food or nutrients pass to this organ, the stomach liver, let's say that put more acid, but it is more corrosive and start to destroy the wastes in a better way. Okay, when food passes to this organ, the organ filtrates it and absorbs some nutrients and pass the let's say that more more wastes to this organ. Then, when the nutrients are absorbed, the stomach liberates the final wastes and pass it here to this organ again. But this organ did not absorb it. He sent them immediately to this organ. The AEBI organ is this, and this organ sends all the wastes to the extrange intestine. Okay, this intestine has something special, that is that it processes the food and tries to absorb more and more nutrients that all of this organ can absorb. So it is a longer, let's say, trajectory to the anus. The nutrients that can be absorbed with these organs are going to be absorbed, and the animal is going to have, let's say, that a better nutrition with the food that he eats. Then the wastes pass here to the anus, and the animal liberates them. This is the anus of the animal. The animal liberates them in the water, and fish and other animals may eat them. This is the urinary system of the animal. Okay, these tiny tubes are connected to this part, or to this organ, and to the stomach. Remember that the stomach and this organ send like they absorb nutrients, but also absorbs water and other liquids that can be let's say like absorbed in this part. So they send them to this part. This part, the urinary system, is only in charge of water. Okay, then they pass here, they pass to this part, and they distribute to each organ that are named duodes. These duodes organs filtrate the water, and the pure water is sent to the body, but wastes of water are sent to here. Here they are only contained and liberated in let's say tiny tiny amounts to this part. When they are liberated, they pass from here and also here, but first they pass to these organs, and that organs are in charge of filtrating in a better way, let's say in an extreme way, these wastes and absorb all that they can that could be assimilated by the body. The liquid that let's say couldn't be absorbed is sent to here and also exposed of the body. Okay, that's all of my animal. It isn't let's say very strange animal, but I think it's a kind of animal that can survive for many years. Thank you for your attention.